Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Way to Learn English. I'm Marco, and I'm here with my good friend Jessica. Jessica, how are you feeling today?
Hey, Marco. Hey, everyone. I'm doing okay. A little nervous, but in a calm way.
Nervous but calm. Sounds interesting.
Yes, because today's topic is something many people feel, but they don't always talk about it.
That's true. Today we're talking about social anxiety and how to talk about it in English.
Yes. And first, let's say this clearly. If you feel social anxiety, you are not strange.
Not strange at all.
Many people feel it, even people who smile and talk a lot.
I agree. Some of the most talkative people feel nervous inside.
Exactly. And for English learners, social anxiety can feel even stronger.
Because you are thinking about people and language at the same time.
That is a lot for one brain.
Poor brain. It's working very hard.
Very hard. So let's slow down and talk like friends.
Yes, no pressure, just a warm conversation.
So, Marco, can I ask you something personal?
Of course.
Do you ever feel social anxiety?
Yes, I do. Even now, sometimes.
Thank you for saying that.
When I was younger, I felt it a lot, especially in groups.
What happened?
My heart would beat fast. My hands felt cold. And my mind said, everyone is looking at you.
Oh, yes, that voice.
That voice is very loud sometimes.
Very loud. And not very kind.
No, not kind at all. And when I needed to speak English, that voice got louder.
Because English felt like a spotlight.
Exactly, like a big light on my face.
That is such a clear picture. I feel that too.
Really?
Yes, I remember one time at a party. People were talking in English.
Uh-huh.
I wanted to join, but my body said no.
What did your body do?
I smiled, nodded, and stayed quiet.
The classic smile and nod.
Yes. Inside, I had many sentences. Outside, nothing.
That's social anxiety for many people.
And it's important to say this. Social anxiety is not weakness,
It's a feeling.
and feelings can change.
Exactly. And talking about it helps.
That's why today's topic is special.
Yes, because we want to help people talk about social anxiety in English.
Not in a medical way,
No big words.
just simple human English.
So let's start very gently. What is social anxiety?
For me, it's when social moments feel scary,
Yes, when talking to people feels heavy.
when your body feels nervous before you speak.
And your mind thinks many things at the same time.
Like, what should I say? Or, what if I make a mistake?
Or, what if they don't like me?
That one hurts.
It does. But here is something important.
Tell me.
Most people are thinking about themselves.
That is very true.
They are not watching you closely.
They worry about their own words, their own face.
So that big spotlight is often very small.
I like that thought.
Me too. It helps me breathe.
Breathing is important with social anxiety.
Yes, when we feel nervous, we forget to breathe slowly.
And breathing helps the body calm down.
I learned that when I felt nervous before meetings.
Me too. Before speaking, I take a slow breath.
And I remind myself, I don't need to be perfect.
That sentence is gold.
It really is.
Let's talk about English now, very naturally.
Okay.
Many learners feel social anxiety because of English
Yes, they worry about mistakes.
or accents
Or slow speaking.
or forgetting words.
All very normal things.
But anxiety makes them feel bigger.
Like a small problem becomes a big mountain.
Exactly. but mountains are easier when you walk slowly.
One step at a time.
I had a student, Anna, who felt strong social anxiety.
What happened with her?
She could read English very well, but speaking was very hard.
Uh-huh.
When someone asked her a question, her face turned red.
Poor Anna.
She told me, "My mind goes empty."
That happens a lot.
So we practiced one thing, very simple.
What was it?
She learned to say, "I need a moment, please."
That's a great sentence.
Yes, when she said that, her body relaxed.
Because she gave herself time.
Exactly. And time is very kind to anxiety.
I love that idea.
And it's important to know, asking for time is okay.
Very okay.
Native speakers do it too.
All the time.
So, talking about social anxiety can start with small sentences.
Like, I feel nervous.
Or, I am shy in groups.
Or, I feel uncomfortable speaking.
Simple words, big meaning.
And when you say these things, something changes.
Yes, you are honest.
And honesty builds connection.
People understand more than we think.
That's true. When I told a colleague I felt nervous, they said, "Me too."
That's powerful.
It made me feel less alone.
And that is one of the best feelings.
Let's talk about how to say these things in English, but naturally.
Okay.
Imagine someone asks you, "Why are you quiet?"
Oh, that question.
Yes, you can answer simply.
Like, I feel a little nervous.
Perfect.
Or, I am not very comfortable speaking.
Also perfect.
You don't need to explain everything.
One sentence is enough.
And you don't need to say sorry.
That's important.
Feeling anxious is not wrong.
Exactly. It's just a feeling.
And feelings come and go.
Like clouds.
Some clouds stay longer, but they move.
I like that image.
Me too.
Let's share a light moment.
Okay.
One time, I was very nervous at a dinner.
Uh-huh.
Someone asked me a question, and I answered the wrong person.
Oh no.
Everyone laughed, including me.
That's funny.
At first, I felt embarrassed. Then I laughed too.
And what happened next?
The anxiety went down.
Because laughter can release tension.
Yes, gentle laughter, not mean laughter.
That's an important difference.
Very important.
So if something small happens and people smile, it's okay.
You can smile too.
You don't need to hide.
Hiding makes anxiety stronger.
Speaking makes it softer.
Even one word.
Now, let's gently move into some helpful ideas.
Yes, ideas you can use in real life.
One thing that helps is naming the feeling.
Saying it out loud.
Yes, I feel nervous right now.
When you name it, it feels less scary.
Like turning on the light.
Exactly.
Another thing that helps is preparing small sentences.
Safety sentences.
Yes, simple sentences you remember easily.
Like, "Can you repeat, please?"
Or, I need a moment.
Or, "I am learning English."
That one is very powerful.
It changes the energy.
People become kinder.
Most of the time, yes.
Another helpful thing is starting small.
Small conversations.
Saying hello.
Saying thank you.
Saying one sentence in a group.
You don't need to speak a lot.
Just a little is enough.
And little becomes more later.
Another idea is focusing on listening.
That's good for anxiety.
Yes, you don't need to talk all the time.
Listening is also communication.
And it gives your brain a rest.
A well-deserved rest.
Yes.
One more thing that helps me is body language.
How so?
I keep my feet on the floor.
Grounding.
Yes, I feel the floor.
That helps you feel present.
And I relax my shoulders.
That's a good reminder.
When the body relaxes, the mind follows.
Slowly, But yes,
And finally, being kind to yourself.
that is the most important one.
Anxiety already speaks loudly,
So your inner voice needs to be gentle.
saying, "It's okay.
I am doing my best.
I don't need to be perfect."
Those sentences are medicine.
Simple medicine.
So now let's take a small pause.
That felt good.
Yes. So if we look back at our conversation,
We talked about social anxiety as a common feeling.
especially for English learners,
We talked about how the body and mind react.
and how speaking can feel scary.
But we also talked about tools,
Simple sentences,
slow breathing,
small steps.
and kindness to yourself
Talking about social anxiety in English is possible
with simple words
with honesty.
and with courage.
And courage doesn't mean no fear.
It means speaking with fear.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Now, we would love to hear from our listeners.
Yes, a small practice.
In the comments, write one simple sentence.
You can write how you feel in social situations.
For example, I feel nervous in groups.
Or, I am shy when I speak English.
Any sentence is okay.
Your English is enough.
Always.
If this conversation helped you, you can like the video.
And if you want more friendly English talks, you can subscribe.
And maybe share this with someone who feels social anxiety.
Let them know they are not alone.
Thank you for listening today.
Be kind to yourself.
And take one small step at a time.
Bye-bye, everyone.
See you next time.